The world of technology stands at the brink of a seismic shift. For decades, Microsoft's Windows has ruled the desktop, shaping how we work, learn, and connect. But today, January 20th, 2026, Huawei's HarmonyOS emerges as a direct challenger, no longer just a mobile alternative, but a serious threat to Windows' throne. This isn't just about software, it's about power, politics, and the future of our digital lives. The US-China trade war forced Huawei to innovate, and now HarmonyOS is poised to disrupt the global tech order. We'll explore how HarmonyOS rose, why it matters, and what it means for consumers, businesses, and nations. The digital world is changing. Are we ready for a new era? Operating systems are the invisible backbone of our digital world. For over 30 years, American companies, Microsoft and Google, set the global standard, giving the US immense influence. But the US-China trade war cracked this foundation, with Huawei cut off from key American tech. This wasn't just about one company, it was a global struggle for technological supremacy. China responded by investing heavily in its own tech ecosystem, culminating in HarmonyOS, a deliberate move toward digital independence. The rise of HarmonyOS is the most significant step in global tech decoupling. This is more than a corporate rivalry. It's a proxy for the US-China contest that will define the century. The world is watching as the digital order is rewritten. The stakes have never been higher. HarmonyOS was born from crisis. In 2019, US sanctions threatened to cripple Huawei's global smartphone business by cutting off access to Google's Android. Forced to act, Huawei accelerated HarmonyOS, a project originally meant for IoT devices, into a unified system for phones, TVs, cars, and now PCs. Its microkernel architecture promises security, flexibility, and seamless cross-device experiences. Imagine starting a call on your phone, moving it to your laptop, then to your smart speaker, without missing a beat. Building an OS is hard. Building an ecosystem is harder. Early on, HarmonyOS relied on open-source Android, but Huawei steadily built its own tools, app store, and services. The company methodically converted its massive Chinese user base, laying the groundwork for a true Windows rival. Necessity drove innovation, and now the world is taking notice. HarmonyOS is no longer just a backup plan. It's a revolution in motion. For decades, Windows was the gateway to the digital world, dominating the PC market with a powerful network effect. Nearly every computer came pre-installed with Windows, making it the default for homes, businesses, and governments. But the rise of mobile devices shifted the tech landscape, and Microsoft's failed mobile OS showed even giants can stumble. Now, HarmonyOS isn't just another desktop OS. It's a cross-device ecosystem born in the mobile era. It unifies phones, tablets, watches, and PCs, something Windows still struggles to achieve. With China as its fortress, Huawei is mounting a serious challenge to Microsoft's long-standing reign. For the first time in decades, Windows faces a rival with the scale and vision to threaten its empire. The siege has begun. The real turning point came in late 2025 with HarmonyOS Next. Huawei cut all ties to Android, launching a fully independent OS. No more native Android app support. It was a bold gamble, but Huawei believed its app ecosystem was ready. New HarmonyOS PCs and laptops hit the market, targeting mainstream users and businesses. Richard Yu declared, "We are launching a new era of digital independence." HarmonyOS Next offers a familiar desktop, but with unique features, like Super Device, which links your PC, phone and tablet for seamless control and file sharing. Microsoft responded by touting Windows' openness and global reach, framing HarmonyOS as a closed, nationalistic alternative. The lines are drawn open global standard versus a tightly integrated independent ecosystem. The competition is fierce and the stakes are global. The future of personal computing is up for grabs. The world is watching. HarmonyOS's growth is staggering. By the end of 2025, it ran on over 900 million devices, mostly in China. This massive user base is a magnet for developers and businesses. Huawei invested billions to support developers, and now hundreds of top Chinese apps are native to HarmonyOS. In just months, HarmonyOS captured 12% of China's PC market, a blow to Windows' dominance. Analysts predict it could reach 30% by the end of 2026, representing tens of millions of PCs. With China as its launchpad, Huawei is pushing HarmonyOS PCs into Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and beyond. North America remains out of reach, but the rest of the world is now a battleground. This isn't a distant threat. It's a present, rapidly growing reality. The numbers don't lie. HarmonyOS is here, and it's changing the game. The global tech landscape will never be the same. Industry analysts agree. We're witnessing the end of Silicon Valley's unipolar dominance. Dr. Evelyn Reed calls HarmonyOS the flagship of a parallel tech world. Every HarmonyOS PC sold is a Windows license lost, impacting not just Microsoft, but the entire US tech stack. Huawei's vertically integrated approach, from chips to cloud, keeps value in China, shifting billions in global revenue. Politically, HarmonyOS is a triumph of techno-nationalism. US sanctions backfired, fueling China's drive for self-sufficiency. For Beijing, HarmonyOS is a symbol of national pride and strategic victory. Developers now face a new reality, supporting both Western and Chinese ecosystems, increasing costs and complexity. The global app economy is fragmenting, forcing companies to pick sides or double their efforts. This is the new normal. One world, two digital universes. The consequences will ripple through business, politics, and daily life. The tech world is no longer one size fits all. The HarmonyOS revolution is reshaping everything. The future is multipolar. This isn't just a corporate battle. It's about your daily digital life. In China, HarmonyOS is already the norm, offering seamless integration but less compatibility with Western software. For Western users, the divide will grow. Documents, games, and apps may become exclusive to one ecosystem or the other. A digital curtain is rising, separating access and collaboration across borders. Yet, competition could drive innovation. Microsoft will be pushed to improve Windows integration and features. But the digital divide may deepen, splitting the internet into American and Chinese spheres. Communication, commerce, and even friendships could become more complicated. The universal internet is under threat from the very systems that connect us. The choices we make now will shape our digital future. The digital map is being redrawn. HarmonyOS is no longer a footnote. It's a headline, signaling a new world order in tech. Microsoft's era of unchallenged dominance is over. Huawei's alternative is real and growing fast. This is about more than profits. It's about the structure of our digital world. The rise of HarmonyOS accelerates global tech fragmentation, with lasting consequences for trade, information, and power. As consumers, our choices matter more than ever. The battle between Windows and HarmonyOS is a defining story of our time. The dawn of a new digital empire may be upon us.